You heard my instructions in the dressing rooms. The fight starts as soon as you touch gloves.
That's the unmistakable sound of a fight beginning.
You can hardly hear it over this crowd.
Another punch.
Wait for an opening.
1, 2, 3.
Those punches just flow around him. A powerful blow cuts through. That's a knockdown for 3.
2, 3, 4, 5.
Hell yeah. I got this.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7,
Harder than that.
8.
Ain't letting them hit me.
What a hit! Creed is a complete powerhouse.
2, 3, 4, 5.
We're gonna see who the real future in this division is.
New message. Donnie, I got something for you. There's an amateur boxing ring down in Tijuana a friend has a hookup with. Give me 15% and you're in. Let me know.
Gotta fight. Duke, help me prep.
All right.
The Distance with Nick and Travis. I'm Nick.
And I'm Travis.
And this is what's happening in the world of boxing.
Let's start with this week's highlights. Kevin the Bank.
Are you ready, ladies and gentlemen? The main event is about to begin. In the blue corner, Vic the Gambler Rivera. In the red corner, Adonis Hollywood Creed. And now, we're finally ready to begin!
Creed gets a hit in.
Don't let this get personal. Touch him up and come out swinging.
That's the starting bell, and the fight is underway.
Does one of these fighters have what it takes to be the champ? Let's find out.
Wait for an opening.
Oh my goodness, are you kidding me?
2!
Dropped him to the mat.
2! 3!
Feel him out, then hit hard. Don't let up.
Creed brushes off that hit with a solid block.
2! 3! 4! 5!
Some light offensive output.
Creed looks like he's going for the knockout.
1! 2! 3! 4! 5! 6!
Creed catches his opponent with a clean shot.
1! 2! 3! 4! 5!
I'm just getting started.
New message.
Hey, listen, man, we got a big fight for you. He's knocked out every guy so far, but you got what it takes. Now, the fight's unsanctioned, but, hey kid, it's in an arena.
Hey there, fight fans. Welcome to another round of The Distance with Nick and Travis.
Could be my big break.
When we're done, the fight will be the easiest part of all of this.
World of boxing. Headlining the boxing news this week is the continued rise of Danny Wheeler.
Yeah, that makes what, 29 wins?
29 wins, 17 by knockout.
All right, Duke. Wish me luck.
Finally, the moment you've all waited for, the main event. In the blue corner, Dwayne Reynolds. In the red corner, Adonis is strength in its prime. Two titans going head to head.
More than a few taps.
All right, gentlemen. Keep your hits legal. Touch them up and let's get this started.
The match has officially begun. There's a lot riding on this one, folks.
I can't imagine the pressure these two are facing down tonight. Incredible power. Creed is getting some hits in.
2, 3.
He's feeling his opponent out. Creed firing off a solid blow.
Can't land the hits like that.
1, 2, 3, 4.
On the attack now.
A hard punch from Creed.
Where am I?
Creed scores a quick hit, but a light touch like that isn't about to knock anyone out.
2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
Don't let up.
His opponent may not have felt that one.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Creed delivers a solid hit to his opponent.
Hey, Donnie, this a bad time?
Just go ahead.
A fella came by the gym today. Said you asked him to train you. He wants you to meet him at Nick's tomorrow.
No way.
Hey there, fight fans. Welcome to another round of The Distance with Nick and Travis. I'm Nick.
And I'm
Yo, you ready, kid?
You think you can get me set for Sparino?
Trust me, kid. When we're done, the fight will be the easiest part of all this, all right? Today, though, today's gonna be hell.
What if I told you Rocky Balboa was coming out of
Reno, he don't know what's coming, but you do, right?
Put your hands together for our fighters, ladies and gentlemen. The time has come. In the blue corner, Leo the Lion Sparino. two true champions out in the ring. Who will win?
All right, gentlemen. Keep your hits legal. When you're ready, touch gloves and we'll begin.
It's the first round. This is anyone's fight, folks.
The perfect underdogs versus the fan favorite. It's hard to know who to root for.
Stop.
That's it, done.
2, 3. Square into his opponent.
Just warming up.
Give him all you got.
Creed delivers a light tap, but he'll need to hit his opponent harder than that to do some real damage.
Wait until he swings, then duck or dodge. Surprise him.
Wow, look at that.
2, 3, 4.
Light tap finds an opening.
6.
Don't let him through that defense, kid.
Creed slams hard into his opponent.
2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
Creed probing.
Show him what you've been training for.
barely survived the 12th round. If this fight went much longer, we'd have a new champion. Conlon may have won the fight, but Adonis started a legacy tonight.
Adonis Creed is no longer just the namesake of Apollo Creed. He's the living embodiment.
Hey there, fight fans. Welcome to another round of The Distance with Nick and Travis. I'm Nick.
And I'm Travis.
And this is what's happening in the world of boxing.
Big news this week.
Oh yeah, Trav?
Adonis Creed has been the center of attention in the world of boxing after his loss to Ricky Conlon.
But what a loss!
Yeah, that's right. Creed surprised us all by not only going the distance, but also delivering Conlon's first and only knockdown in his entire 37-fight career.
And now Creed is on the warpath.
That is right. With Conlon retired, a new belt was minted, and top contenders Danny Stuntman Wheeler and Bobby the Operator Nash went toe-to-toe to see who gets it.
Congratulations to Danny Wheeler. The stuntman clinched the belt